Hey, what's up and thanks for clicking in. My name is Jason, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the popular app crypto.com. More specifically, we're going to take a look at their earn feature, which allows you to stake cryptocurrencies and stablecoins and earn a very high rate of return. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to jump right in. So let's get started right now.
Right now.
All right, so here we are. This is crypto.com. And as you can see from this little slider here, they are waiving the fee for credit card deposits, which is pretty awesome. It is 3.5%. They're waiving it down to zero. So any credit card deposit that you make, crypto.com is not going to charge you. Now your bank is going to charge you some sort of international deposit fee, and that's going to vary. So Bank of America charges me a huge fee, but I have an account with M1 Finance and they only charge me 1.5%. So that's kind of nice. So basically 1.5% is what I'm paying to deposit here, which is really good for crypto. So I'm bringing to crypto.com. I do pretty much everything on the app, but I just wanted to show you how they have this situated with their earn feature over here. I'm gonna click on the earn, up to 8%, and you can actually get more, and I'm gonna show you here in a second. So they have this based on how much you stake. And a stake, for our purposes here, and basically what it means is to hold some currencies, have some currencies held up in exchange for a reward. So basically, if you stake over 500 of MCO, which is the Monaco token, they'll give you these rates here. And if you stake 50 or less, which is actually what I'm doing, they'll give you these rates here. So these are basically cryptocurrencies. These are stable coins. And this is their own cryptocurrency, which is CRO. And this is where you can earn the highest rate of return. Okay, so now we are inside the crypto.com app. And this is my account, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And that's actually my referral link to crypto.com. But when you use that to sign up, you'll actually get $50 to start off your account. So pretty cool. I'll leave that below. But this is my account here. Been messing around with crypto.com for about 1 month. And I wanna show you what I've been doing so far. And like I said, I've been mainly using the crypto.com earn feature. So that's what I'm going to show you right here. So in the middle, this blue button here takes us to the main menu. And here you have all of your different options here. So when you're first starting off, you're probably going to go into the wallet and fund your account. I already have some funds in there right now. So what I'm going to do is stake the crypto.com or the CRO token. I'm going to do a 1 month term, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go back here and going to go over to the main menu, and we're going to pick the earn feature. And right now I actually have a crypto earn term going right now. So it's this one right here, $628.12. It ends in 1 day. I just want to show you what this looked like so far. So it started with a deposit of 5,066 CRO, which was the equivalent of $373.83. And what happens is they pay out these CRO crypto earn things in weekly increments. So every week you're going to get a new one, and it's going to be the same amount because they figure out what it is ahead of time. So every week I get 13.5646 CRO. So far I have earned $6.97. However, when I started this, CRO was about $7.20. And if you look right now, we go to the home screen, CRO is now CRO is now 12.4 cents or close to 12.5 cents. So it's gone up quite significantly over the last month, for me, about 65, 70%. We'll go back here to the earn function. And what you're going to do when you get into crypto earn, you're going to see the plus over here. So I'm going to hit that plus, and it's going to take me into this screen. And the screen's going to show all the tokens. And the reason it does is because you can stake any of these tokens. The reason I'm doing CRO or crypto.com coin is because that pays the highest rate of return. So I'm going to do that one here. And then it brings you to this screen, which shows you the different rates of return. And this was similar to that first screen that I showed you on the homepage of crypto.com. But yeah, so flexible means that you can withdraw the money at any time. It's not tied up, and that's going to pay you 12%. And PA means per annum, or annual return. So what that means is it's going to pay you 12% on a yearly basis. So depending on how long you have it in there, you'll have to divide it up. So if you had it in there for a month, you'll take the 12% return, divide it by 12, and that's what you'll get. Same thing for the 1 month term, which is actually what I'm going to do. And then there's a 3-month term where you have to lock it up for 3 months and pays you an additional 2%. So I have the 1 month term selected. I'm going to hit next. You have to check all these boxes here, which I will do. And then it lets you continue. An important note here for CRO, well, all the coins have a minimum that you have to stake. For CRO, it's 5,000 CRO. So make sure that you have at least 5,000 CRO in your account. And that's pretty significant. That's $619 by today's standards. So what I'm going to do is I have 6,034 CRO. So I'm just going to do the whole amount. And deposit. And then it's going to verify this for you. So it's going to show you the whole amount here, 14%. I'm going to confirm that. I'm punch in my passcode, which I've set ahead of time. And then boom, confirmed. And what's going to happen here, it's going to pop up on my screen as another term. So this is another 1 month term ending in 30 days. And cool. So I'll start earning some more CRO on that one. And that's really it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you want to get started with Crypto.com, remember the link below will get you started with $50 free in your account. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. If you want to see more videos on Crypto.com, please like and comment below. Thank you again, and be safe.